Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I want to do a quick video on the BoxyCharm BoxyPopUp shop. It is now live. It went live approximately an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. I'm going to try to make this video pretty quick because it's my second time recording it. This is open to all BoxyCharm subscribers where you can get a makeup, skincare, lifestyle, jewelry, fashion items for up to 80% off. You get free shipping with any purchase over $25. And I believe it is open to the US only. So let me start scrolling and I will quickly mention some of the items that are live in BoxyPopUp, as well as we will go over items that have sold out. So the BoxyPopUp shop is open for the next 8 days. So some of the items that they have are the Benefit Professional. This primer is marked down to $20 from $32. Personally, I don't think that's the greatest deal. I think that you can get it on Sephora sale or Ulta sale for about the same price. So personally, when I was shopping this, I went for the deep deals. I picked up, I believe, 11 items. You guys will be seeing a haul soon. Next is the iconic London Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. This was an excellent deal, but these colors didn't appeal to me too much. This was originally $62, marked down to $12. We have products from Dermablend, Becca Cosmetics. Here's an item that really intrigued me. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. This was $45. It went down to $29. I was hoping that it would be at a lower price point, so I skipped picking this up. We also have items from Pharmacy Beauty. This is the Better Days Ahead, originally $68 down to $40. The Saturday Skin Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser, originally $26 down to $14. We have items from Playa Beauty, Sol de Janeiro, BKR. Moving down, we have items from Catherine Malandrino, Rain, Milk Makeup. They have the holographic highlighter. This has been on clearance at Sephora for $11. It's originally $24. It's $7 at BoxyPopUp. I did go ahead and pick this up, as well as several other items that you guys will be seeing in my future haul. An item I'm kicking myself in the butt for not ordering is the Stila Cosmetics Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I needed a new liquid eyeliner. This price point was excellent. It was originally $22, marked down to $6. There's items from Spongel, more items from Catherine Malandrino, jewelry items from Wonderlust & Co., items from the Clean Skin Club. We have more iconic London items. This loose pigment palette is originally $62 and is only $12. Another item that I felt like the price point wasn't the greatest was the Tarteist lip paints. These were originally $20 and went down to $10. When Ulta does their 21 Days of Beauty, price point is very similar, so I would have liked to seen a lower price point on those. We have Saturday Skin All Aglow Sunscreen Perfecting Cushion Compacts. These were $40. $40 and they're only $9, so that's more than 75% off retail. Excellent price point. There's an Australian Pink Clay Pore Refining Face Mask. Items from cosmetics. Items from Dr. Brandt, R&Co, Kula, as well as a rose quartz roller. The Dr. Brandt is an excellent value. I did not pick this up because it was above my price point for what I wanted to spend on skincare items. This is the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Time Defying Cream, originally $132 for $29. Excellent, excellent price. Some more items from BKR. Their website is lagging a little bit because of how much traffic is on here. Another great deal is the iconic London Chrome Flash eyeshadow palettes. I looked up swatches for these. They are absolutely beautiful. Originally $26 and only $5. That is cheaper than buying a drugstore eyeshadow. You cannot beat the price on those. And there were 3 or 4 colors available. 3 colors. Another highlighter from Milk. More Dermablend loose setting powders. We also have the Butter London Glaze and Lip Glaze. I would have liked to seen more colors than these because I probably would have picked one up. These were $19, marked down to $6. Excellent price point. Here we go again with the Tardiest lip paints. Like I said, half off, not the greatest deal on those. Items from Kula, items from Tula. We also have Paula's Choice Skincare Defense Nightly Reconditioning Moisturizer. Excellent price, $8. Originally $29. I loved seeing so much skincare at great price points. Items from Star Skin, more Dr. Brandt. The Dr. Brandt is excellent price points. The Skincare Pore Dermabrasion, originally $58 down to $14. The Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream, from $82 down to $16. The Magnetite Age Definer Mask, originally $75 down to $29. Kind of wish I would have picked that up. If it pops up and pop up again, I might pick that up later on down the road. Items from Peach and Lily. I know an item that I absolutely loved when we got in our box was the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble. This is originally $28, only $14 in pop-up. Great price point for that. Items from Chlorane. More items from Playa Beauty, as well as Sol de Janeiro and Pharmacy Beauty. There is items from Busy Beauty, Clean Skin Club, Spongel again. Another great value here is the PYT Black Analog Curler. This is a curling wand, originally $160 for $39. They also had brush sets from Luxy Beauty. This set here was originally $42 and is down to $12. Lots and lots of skincare items. Some Deborah Lippmann Gel Lab Pro polishes, originally $45 for $9. We're getting into more lifestyle items. Personally, the lifestyle items didn't really interest me. They had everything from luggage tags, umbrellas, to cell phone cases, cosmetic bags, hangers, organizers of all sorts. And then we're getting into the jewelry. As we get past the jewelry, we will start seeing the items that sold out. Sorry for my phone going off. Sunglasses, and then we will get into the items that have sold out. And a good bit has sold out, but there still is a great amount of products still left. So here we go. The items that went out of stock are the Foxy Bay Hair Rose Gold Straightening Brush, originally $149 for $39. The Kula Dawn Patrol Makeup Primer Sunscreen, originally $42 down to $9. The Elemis Pro Collagen Oxygenating Night Cream, originally $160 down to $19. Excellent prices on Elemis products. The Caudalie Vino Perfect Anti-Dark Spot Serum, originally $79 down to $12. I will tell you, I picked one of those up. Cannot wait to show you guys my haul because I got some great items. The Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask, originally $49 for $16. Several Luxy brushes went out of stock. The Luxy Dreamcatcher set, originally $150 down to $29. The BoxyCharm Tabletop Light Up Mirror for $10 went out of stock. Here is the Luxy Dreamcatcher set again. More Elemis items. Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, originally $64 down to $12. I would have liked to got my hands on that, but I didn't. The Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, originally $89 for $12. Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana Cream. I know this has been a hit with a lot of people. Originally $35, only $11 in pop-up, as well as several of these Spongeology body wash infused buffers. Originally $20 for $4. So that is everything in Boxy Pop-Up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.